In this video, we're going to have a look at the FAQ section of the website and how to manage that in the content management system. So we'll jump into the More drop-down menu here, where we'll find the FAQ section on our demo site. And if you want to know how to make drop-downs or manage your menus at the top, then make sure you have a look at the navigation video that explains how to do that in the content management system. So we'll click here. So here you can see we have some placeholder items in the FAQ section, and we'll just have a look at how these work, and then we'll have a look at how to manage those and add new ones in the content management system. So if we click on the heading here, we can access more information about that particular fact. So we have the question, and then below that we also have the answer to that question, and then some share options for social media. At the bottom, we have some more frequently asked questions as well, and these will list some of the other questions in that section of the website. So let's jump into the content management system. So we'll come into our content management system, and we'll jump across into the FAQ section of the website, and you can see we have a couple of options here to add new entries or to add categories for our FAQ section. We'll just jump in here first of all. So you can see here we have a list of the different items in our current FAQ section, and we can click on the right hand side here to edit ghost, so to hide or to feature those different items, as well as to delete that particular item. So if we click on edit here, so you can see here we have some very simple text boxes for the question, the slug, which will appear in the URL of the question when we navigate to that page, and then also a text area for that particular answer to the frequently asked question. So if we select our text here, and we'll type in a different question. So we can type in a different question here, and then we can also change the slug for that page so it makes a bit more sense. And if we hit publish, and we come back to our site, we'll jump back into the frequently asked questions section, and you'll see the title here has been modified, and if we click on that link, then we've also modified the slug as well. So if you've got frequently asked questions, modifying the slug and the title will really help your search engine optimization as well when Google or other search engines are indexing your site. If we come back to our frequently asked questions page here, you can see we've got a particular order for that page. If we want to reorder those, we can come into the list of those frequently asked questions in the content management system, and we come to the list of our frequently asked questions. We can shuffle these so they appear in the order that we want them to. And once we're happy with the order, we can press publish. We come back to our list here and press refresh. Then our list here will update based on the order we selected. So now we're going to have a look at how we add a new item to our FAQ section. So we'll jump back into the content management system, and we'll jump into our FAQ section and click on the add option. And we've got a pre-prepared question that we'll copy and paste in here. So I'll just come to this new tab and we'll copy the question, paste that in there, and then we'll come back and copy our placeholder answer and paste that in. And now all we need to do is click publish, and our new question will pop up there. And if we come back to the FAQ section, we can press refresh, and that new question will pop up in our list. And again, we can reorganize that so our question appears in the order that we want it to. And we just need to press publish once we've reordered our list. So you can see there we've added a new question and reordered the list again. So if we come back to our content management system, we can reorganize the frequently asked questions or the facts section into whatever order we want, and we can go in and edit them. We can ghost them and delete them as we can with other pages. And if you need any more tips on how to edit or modify the layout of a page, then have a look at the video about creating pages. There's a few tips in there about creating lists and adding titles or subheaders into your design. But that's where we'll leave this intro to the frequently asked questions section, and just make sure you have a look at some of the other videos that will teach you how to manage different areas of your website through the content management system.